Okay, Finnish people, right?
Tuossa oli siitä, että kaikki otetaan mukaan.
Now we can do lots of things in it.
垃圾放到工厂里，然后开始让学校比较让学校是比较健康的，这个应该要吃。
健康地球的。
健康饮食，然后要使用更多体育设施向同学们开放，例如攀爬架，这有益于我们健康。
One, two, three. Okay, kiitos. Thank you for coming. So, today we will work about how to improve schools. Okay, not only this school, but any kind of school. If you would be a magician and you could create a school like with your magic, how this school would be.
Protect animals. I wish we could have a machine to clean the water.
More flowers, more grass, and more insects.